Hey guys, what is going on? As you can see, we've been working on the 400. Let's get you guys caught up. Here's some quick time lapses of what we've been up to. We've got the heads on, dipstick in, cam is good to go, gears on, fuel eccentrics on, measuring for push rod length, and just kind of buttoning things up from here with the valley pan intake. You know, just the goodies. Let's get you guys caught up. While you guys are watching, go ahead and hit that like button and please subscribe if you guys like what you're seeing. With the Butler tool and dipstick tube, this was a super simple process. All we did was put the head on to kind of see where the tube needed to sit, slightly forward, somewhat against the block, so that it doesn't hit the exhaust ports and doesn't hit the exhaust itself or the block. So the Butler tube goes in, it's slightly smaller than OEM. The tool goes in the bottom of the tube, you tap it into place till it's nice and flush, take your end and put on the main cap, and you are absolutely golden. Hey guys, another real quick tip. So what we're doing here is taking a rag and some pliers and pushing that keyway in, doing that so we're not marring the cam or the keyway. Kind of helps us just get that in without hurting it. You see we're doing the back and the front, just make sure it's nice and level. Alright, so here we've got the timing set. On the Pontiacs, you want your timing mark to be up on the cam and the crank gear. So that can be kind of hard to eyeball. It just takes two people, so I'm holding the chain in place in the bottom so that he can manipulate the teeth on the top to get it just right. As you can see, the 400 is now painted a little more than it was. We cut the camera and tried to knock through a bunch of things really quick so we can get some things ordered. The paint looks freaking gorgeous, the 67 light metallic. Timing cover, intake, oil pan. Should be able to start rocking through a bunch of this now. And as we do, I will be sure to record that. But as always, guys, appreciate the support and thank you for everything you guys do. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.